I am Professor Arindam Das. I am the CEO of India's first telecom business school, IITM. Now, the telecom industry is witnessing a tremendous revolution across the globe. And it is similar in India also. In the last 1 decade, we have seen enormous strides made by the Indian telecom industry, who have now is slowly emerging as a world leader in this particular field. Now, what actually happened is there is a huge requirement for telecom professionals in this country. And the education fraternity or the education industry was not churning out enough numbers. So some of the thought leaders who were primarily into education in Andhra Pradesh, they thought it is important for us to make a contribution to this emerging industry, to this emerging industry giants. And we started this concept of a telecom business school, and that's how IITM was conceived. Now, what does IITM offer for future telecom professionals? In a span of 2 years, students who gets enrolled with us, they get oriented to what I call the nuts and bolts of the telecom industry. And when I talk about the nuts and bolts of the telecom industry, what I mean is the business side of telecom. Because the engineering and the installation period is almost over. Now the time has come where the service providers, they are in a dog-eat-dog situation. And ironically, telecom, in spite of being such a phenomenally growing industry, here businesses is still count on paisa. If you remember, Tata Docomo changed the entire paradigm of this industry by actually starting this Naya Paisa call. Here, still businesses have fought over seconds, per second usage. What we saw minutes of usage today has now evolved into seconds of usage. So when the competition is so cutthroat, what is actually required is a bunch of professionals who are equipped with the right kind of skills and knowledge that will make the Indian telecom companies world leaders. We have already witnessed Airtel having enormous business interests in African countries. We intend to make our own significant contribution in ensuring that the success stories of the telecom service providers from India, it continues. IITM campus is situated in the heart of Hyderabad. It's in a place called Panchagutta. If you must have seen our campus by going around the campus. It's a state-of-the-art campus, very, very futuristic, where the students will have full opportunity to actually manifest whatever the latent talent they have. The faculties will be from premium B schools. They will be from the industry, so that the students get an opportunity to practice what they learn from the classrooms. That's again very unique. In a span of 2 years, the student, their CV becomes heavier 4 times, means they get quadruple certification. We give a 2-year regular MBA from Gulbarga University in telecom management. We give a 2-year post-graduation program in management from IITM. We give an international MBA from ICTP, which is Chartered Telecom Professional from Cambridge Intercontinental University, US. We also are introducing for the first time in the country CTP, Chartered Telecom Professional, which will equip the student with how to handle the telecom retailing business. So in a span of 2 years, the student will be with 4 new certifications, which makes their CV considerably heavier. Okay, we are a telecom management institute. Now what we realize is the student should be oriented in economies which are in the same generation of telecom. And we have identified Malaysia as a country which is in a similar phase of the growth cycle in telecom like India. So they will be far better off getting the orientation in the telecom industry from a country like Malaysia or Singapore. We have got 120 seats. But we are very focused on getting the first 60 seats filled up. Reason being, there's a huge demand in the telecom industry, and we have a commitment to provide them technical and business manpower to them. So 120 seats in the first year is what our ambition is.
So
This is an industry-specific curriculum. This curriculum, this college, this concept was created out of the need from the industry. So when the students first take admission, they will also have a chance to work with the industry from the first semester onwards. So in a period of 2 years, during live projects, in product launches, in internship projects, they will have enough and more opportunities for getting absorbed into the industry. The good thing about the telecom management program is like this: the students will be spoiled for choice. It is not one company they will be eligible to sit in. They have got a choice to get into any of the 13 service providers who are currently operating in the country. So if I were to add like this, if a telecom company is looking for trained manpower, we will be not only the first and the only option at this point of time. In the future, we will be the most preferred destination for all telecom service players. Thank you so much.